Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we're back at the electrical wall. I had someone ask, so I was going to make a quick video on it, on different ways to wire up a three-way switch. So we went over the basic wiring, the easiest step. So what happens if we have a switch in a hard to get to area, somewhere where it's not easy to get the feed to, or it's too far to get the leg going to the light to? Well, there's a way that you can wire it. So then instead of having a feed in this box and a leg in this box, you can do it all in one box and then just have one wire with your travelers over here in this box. So we went from our outlet and we took our feed all the way over to this box. So now we've got our feed in this box, there's our travelers, and here's the wire going up to the light. So we're going to wire this, every light, every three-way, you either need a feed or you need a load out to the light. So the trick is taking one of these wires, and we have to give it a job. At my company, we like to use the white. We try to keep everything symmetric, that way if one crew comes, they know if they see a single wire in the box, they know that white is going to go on our point screw of our three-way switch. Now what we need to do over here is we need to tell that white what it's going to do. So in this situation, here's our feed, here's our wire going up to our light. That light needs a neutral, so let's give it a neutral. Alright, we're going to strip this out, and we're going to send this neutral straight up to the light fixture. And that part's easy, taken care of, and out of the way. And now we know with every box, anytime there's more than one wire, you have to take all the grounds. In this box, we've got 3 grounds. We need to take all the grounds, tie them together, and make one tail off of it. So let's go ahead and get that going. So we now have our 3 tails plus our 1 new tail. Take them. Take our pliers, twist them together, get a nice spiral on it. And then cut it, and let's get a wire nut on it. Good. Now we can push that back in the box. So now this leaves us with a feed, a wire going to the switch leg, or to the light, and then our 3 wires that come from this box to this box. Alright, let's take this white, since we want to use the white as the unique wire over here. We got to take this white and we need it to do something. Now it can do either one you want. It can do the leg, it can do the feed, whatever. So in this situation, we're going to go ahead, we're going to take the feed, and we're going to tie it into the white on our 3 wire. Now by tying it into the white on the 3 wire, essentially we have now taken the feed out of this box, and we just sent it over to our single box. And that leaves us with 2 travelers and a leg. Like I said, everything's got 2 travelers, and it's either going to have the leg or the light. We just sent the feed right here on this white wire. We've got the leg over here. So now let's strip it, curl it, get it on our switch, and then we'll go to the next part. So there's traveler number 1. There's traveler number 2. There's our ground. And there is our point screw, which in this situation, that's our wire to our light. That is our load. Alright, that completes this box. I'll put this guy in, screw it in place. Now that leaves us with this box. Once again, over here in the first box, we used the black and the red as travelers. And we tied the white into the hot. So this is now our feed for our light system. So cool those. Once again, put that on traveler number 1. This on traveler number 2. Our ground. And our point screw, which is our white. There you have it. Now let's screw this in. And voila. And you know the next step. There's our cord. Let's plug it in. Over here. Plug it in. Like I said, we're back to a simple 3-way. Well, this is now an advanced 3-way, but still a 3-way system. On, off, on, off, on. And there you have it. That is how you do we call this a dead end 3-way. The feed's in here. We sent the feed out of here, over to here on the white wire, and we have our load going up to our light fixture on this switch. Hope that helped. It might be confusing. I highly recommend that you go back and watch the last video that teaches us how 3-way switches work. And between the two, that should give you an idea of where to go. As always, if you like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.